Have you wondered about those barefoot style shoes? Me too. Warning, you might like them. Hi, I'm Kim Sleno, and I have polymyalgia rheumatica and giant cell arteritis. And I also fell this spring and shattered my calcaneus bone, and I have not been able to wear shoes since then. And I have found that walking around my house barefoot made my foot feel a little bit better than walking around in my sandals, and I still could not fit into shoes. So I thought that I would give these barefoot style shoes a try, and I wasn't willing to pay the big, huge price of the brand name ones. So I ordered these off of TEMU. They were 293 pesos, which works out to be about $25 Canadian, and probably, I think, in US dollars, that would be about $18. So I'm going to give you a little rundown on what they're like for me. So this is them. You can see they're very flexible. They've got a fairly sturdy foot sole on them. So I know that if I walk on a rock or something, it'll be good for me. They're easy to put on. Stretch this out, get my foot in there, and it's got this little slide, and it feels really good. You can see I can move fairly easily with them. The problem that I was having with this, I have 3 screws in my foot, which I'll show you the x-ray. So you can see the screws from the top and from the side, and you can see my foot, what it looked like about a week after the accident. I have a difficult time going sideways, and in shoes, they really weren't working. So with bare feet, I was able to strengthen a little bit of my foot around the heel bone and up the front where 2 of the other screws are. So I find these are really good about helping me move around. So they did come in different colors. I chose a lilac color, which I kind of like. The name on the side here says GHGFF. Like I said, there's really no name brand on it. They were very inexpensive. Would I buy them again? Yes, definitely. I would order these in different colors. Now, I just got these today. I put them on at noon. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've been wearing them all afternoon. I did my squats, my pelvic tilts, all my leg exercises. I was wearing these. They were very comfortable. I don't feel any place where they're bothering my foot. And one of the screws is out the back of the heel, and it's not bothering it at all. I would order them in a different color, maybe next time a gray or a black. Time will tell whether they will stand up to walking every day. So I live in Mexico, and there's cobblestone streets. So tomorrow I'll be trying these on the cobblestone streets and see how long they last. For $25 compared to the $200 ones for the name brand, I think I'm going to take these. Thanks so much for watching. If you like, please hit the like button, subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much.